Hey, what's up? Today I want to show you a magnetic power bank for iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. The main features of this product are 10,000 mAh battery capacity, 15-watt wireless and up to 22.5-watt wired charging support. But the most important feature for me is the compact size and lightweight. You can attach a power bank to the back of your iPhone and keep using your smartphone while it is charging. Okay, let's do unboxing. Look closer at the design of the new power bank and make a quick charging test. By the way, this magnetic power bank is made by Veger company. They have many other mini and large power banks on official website and Amazon. I will leave the links in description under the video. So on the box of the power bank, you can find all information about it, such as main features, manufacturer info, links to social media accounts, and even the stickers of product originality. You can also see that I have a black version of power bank. Inside the box there is a power bank with lanyard, USB Type-C cable, user manual, and warranty card. By the way, a power bank also comes with a ring and install guide in the package. If your phone case doesn't have MagSafe and it is thicker than 2 mm, then you can install the ring on the inside of the case. After that, a magnetic connection and charging speed will be better. Before talking about the design of a Veger magnetic power bank, I have to say about its size. The dimensions are 110 by 70 by 17 mm. The weight is 195 grams. As you can see, a power bank is a little thicker than the iPhone 12. I have a black color option, but it is also available in the white color. And there is a lanyard in the corner, and I think it is a very good feature. However, if you don't like it, you can cut it off. The power bank has a power button on the right side and a LED indicator on the left. There is USB Type-C port, USB-A port, and lighting port at the bottom. You know, USB-C port is bidirectional and it has a maximum output power of 20 watt. The input power to charge the power bank is 18 watt. As for USB-A output, it is 22.5 watt. The lighting port has a maximum output power of 18 watt. A power bank also supports 15 watt wireless charging, so you can charge 3 devices simultaneously through USB-A port, USB-C port, and wireless panel. Talking about wireless charging panel, it has a film, and I don't know if I should take it off or not. The manual doesn't say anything about that. However, there is a circle, so we know for sure which part to attach the power bank to the smartphone. You know, a magnetic connection is very strong. You can even hold the power bank and iPhone by the lanyard, and the smartphone will not fall off. A power bank is even compatible with MagSafe cases and other phone cases less than 2 mm. Okay, now let's do a charging test of a Veger magnetic power bank. The picture on official website says that it only takes 30 minutes to charge iPhone from 0 to 60% using USB Type-C port. Let's check it out. As you can see, my iPhone 12 charged from 0 to 60% in 32 minutes. That's really fast. So Veger magnetic power bank is much more convenient than other power banks because of the wireless charging support. You just need to attach a power bank to the back of your iPhone and continue to use the smartphone. The battery capacity of 10,000 mAh is enough to charge my iPhone about 3 times. The wireless charging is a good and useful feature, but if you need to charge your smartphone very quickly, then it is better to use 20-watt USB Type-C port. The price of a Veger magnetic power bank is $79. I also have 15% off coupon code for you. I will leave it in the description under the video. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!